करती सदी बनत बहुत बहुत विपिन कसौटी जेकेस तई सांचेन. A true friend is one who stands by you during difficult situations.
Good morning, respected principal ma'am, heads, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, we are gathered here to celebrate International Friendship Day. It is a day to honor the beautiful bond of friendship and to reflect on the value of good friends and to understand how this relationship shapes our lives in many meaningful ways. Before we begin this beautiful day, let us rise, join our hands, and bow our heads in prayer. Let us thank the Almighty for the gift of life, love, and friendship.
Please wait for the opening music. Just wait.
A friend is someone who understands your past, believes in your future, and accepts you just the way you are. Means a friend is not just someone you have fun with, but someone who offers genuine understanding, unwavering support, and non-judgmental acceptance. I repeat, a friend is someone who understands your past, believes in your future, and accepts you just the way you are. Means a friend is not just someone whom you have fun with, but someone who offers genuine understanding, unwavering support, and non-judgmental acceptance.
दोस्ती एक ऐसा रिश्ता है जो खून का ना होकर भी सबसे ज्यादा करीब होता है. जैसे किसी ने बहुत खूबसूरती से कहा है, सच्चा दोस्त वही होता है जो तब साथ दे जब सारी दुनिया साथ छोड़ दे. धन्यवाद. To stay informed is to stay empowered. Let us now take a glance at the important happenings around the world and in our nation. Here is the news of the day.
Today's national news is India and the US launched the missile satellite on July 30, 2025. India's first uncrewed Gaganyaan is scheduled for late 2025. A volcano erupted for first time in 600 years in Russia. Thank you.
This sports news, England's Harry Brook scored a century on day 4 of the 5th Test cricket match between England and India. West Indians Jason Holder in the second T20 against Pakistan on Saturday.
Today's SWS News. Smart Wonder School Mohali successfully conducted Confluence 2025 on 2nd and 3rd August. Weather report. Morning, expect light rain followed by considerable cloud cover. High temperature around 32 degrees Celsius. Low temperature around 26 degrees Celsius. Overall, a cloudy day with some morning showers. Thank you.
A day with positive affirmations that shapes our thoughts and guide our actions. Because what we say to ourselves, we become. I'm always happy. Kindly repeat after me. I'm always happy.
I am calm and stable in every situation. I use gadget for only studies. I respect nature. I respect everyone. I respect nature. My memory and concentration are excellent.
Now, let's hear from our fellow students as they share their thoughts on the International Friendship Day.
Friendship Day is celebrated on July 30th in many countries around the world, including Bolivia, Spain, and as a UN-recognized day. In Finland and Estonia, it's combined with Valentine's Day on February 14th. However, in India, we celebrate on the first Sunday of August, which will be August 3rd in 2025.
Friendship is a relationship of mutual affection between people characterized by caring, support, and enjoyment of each other's company. It's a bond built on trust, honesty, and respect, offering emotional support and often lasting a lifetime.
As we celebrate friendship, it's important to understand that all friendships are not the same. There is a distinction between good friends and bad friends, and knowing this can help us nurture meaningful relationships.
Good friends.
A good friend supports you in both good times and bad times. Encourage you to be the best version of yourself. Value honesty and open communication. Respect your individuality and your boundaries.
Stand by you even when life gets tough.
Good friends help you grow, challenge you in positive ways, and celebrate your success without jealousy.
Bad friends may use you for personal gain or fulfill their own needs, are often judgmental, critical, not respecting your feelings.
Bad friends engage in negative behavior such as gossiping or spreading rumors, encourage harmful habits or unhealthy choices, disrespect your boundaries, and manipulate you to their advantage.
They bring you down until lifting you up.
Ways to check true friendship. So how can we identify a true friend in the age of both real and virtual relationships? Now some of our friends will tell us few ways to check.
Trust and honesty. A true friend is someone you can confide in without fear of judgment. Honesty is key. If someone lies to you or hides things from you, they are not being a true friend. A true friend is consistent in their support and affection. They don't just appear when it is convenient for them. They stand by you through the ups and downs of life.
True friends respect your opinions, values and boundaries. They don't try to change you to fit their expectations.
A true
A true friend rejoices in your happiness and shares your burden when you are sad.
They feel your happiness as if it is theirs and your pain as if it is their own. They accept you for who you are, flaws and all. They don't criticize you for your mistakes but help you learn from them.
While good friends support us and bad friends teach us lessons, there is another kind we must be careful about. Social media friends. They must seem friendly online, but not everyone behind the screen is who they appear to be. And trusting the wrong person can lead to a serious harm.
The harms of social media friendships. In today's digital world, many of us have online friends. While social media can help us stay connected, we need to be cautious about the nature of these online friendships.
Social media often creates the illusion of friendship. Likes and comments do not equal true friendship. These friendships can be shallow, lacking emotional depth. Online friends may not be there when we need the real emotional support. They may not understand our struggles the way true friends do.
The enormity of social media can sometimes encourage harmful behaviors like cyberbullying, jealousy, or spreading negativity. It's important to choose our friends to make us feel safe and valued, both online and offline.
It's essential to surround ourselves with friends who contribute positivity to our life rather than those who bring negativity.
Along with our friends at school and neighborhood, let's always remember that our parents are our best friends, guiding, supporting, and loving us unconditionally.
Parents are our best friends because from the moment we are born, they shower us with love without expecting anything in return.
Whether we are happy or sad, right or wrong, successful or struggling, our parents never leave our side. Parents guide us honestly and protect us from harm. Their advice comes from experience and genuine care.
No one knows our strengths, weaknesses, habits, or dreams better than our parents.
They encourage us when we fail and celebrate when we succeed. They are our first teacher and lifelong supporter.
In conclusion, while we always stand by and support our friends, let's not forget that our parents are also our true lifelong best friends. They are with love, care, and guidance. Now let's watch a heartwarming video that highlights the true meaning of friendship. Thank you.